So I do regret to inform all of you that I, in fact, did not know math. We are like 55% of the way through our quals matches, not 2/3. This is why you shouldn't listen to the game announcer, folks. Match 73 getting underway here. The Red Alliance Autonomous looking quite strong. 27 points and counting. Both sides here have robots parked up on their charged platforms, but the Red Alliance will overall get a ton of game pieces scored. 54 points here when the dust all settles and drivers take controls. And the Blue Alliance will have a little bit of catching up to do, but some very strong robots here on both sides of the field. So it should be exciting to see how this one plays out. There's the Neutrons on red, 125, completing the first link already towards that sustainability bonus rank point. We're getting the node in the very top left corner of the grid. And here comes Atos Dios out of Connecticut, placing a cone to finish a link on the top right already. And then there's Neutrons out of the Boston area again, dropping off one more cone. We'll just need one last cone to complete the entire top row, rapidly filling up this grid early on. Here's the Rock. They're from about 45 minutes south of where I grew up. They're out of Cincinnati, Ohio. They'll drive through, place a cone on the middle of the right node, and then get stuck on the cable protector on their way back, and now kind of aimlessly wandering the community zone. We'll see if they're able to get their way out of there. First, they're going to wait, though, for their Alliance partners, Eagles Zeus, to drop off that cube on the middle row. Let's see how the Blue Alliance is doing catching up here, because they're only 1 point down with a minute left to play. Looks like they're focusing a lot on this bottom row. We've got one link formed in the bottom right there, a cone cube link. That's one of the 3 they have across the Alliance. The other 2 are up on that top row. And it looks like we're waiting on Red Storm Robotics to be able to swing this cone over and drop it off to complete the 3rd link of that top row. There we go, and that'll be their 4th overall link. Nope, sorry, I'm wrong. We're waiting on one last cone. The honors will actually go to Eagle Force for this one. They spread those wings of that cone, place it in the very, very top left. Now there's the 4th link. I had so much optimism that I called it early for him. 114 to 105 is your score. Blue Alliance has now taken the lead despite that early strong start from the Red Alliance. We'll see what Neutrons and Atos Dios have in store for us here, as they are the last 2 robots not on the charge platform. There's the Rock and the Eagles parked up there on the charge platform. They'll balance it out, get 2 robots docked and engaged for 20 points. Neutrons, last minute cube for 2 last points of grid score. Your live score showing separated by just 2 points. Your final score, points each. One of those rank points on either side is from tying the match. The other rank point on each side will be your activation bonus. Rank points to each of those alliances. And that just does all sorts of fun to our leaderboard.